After seeing the volume, now we will study the density. What do you mean by density? For example, if you are putting a cork and a small cycle chain iron ball in a water, what can you observe? Yes, you can observe the small cork is floating above the surface of the water, and the small iron ball will sinks and touches the bottom of the container. Why? Because that is lighter, this is heavier. You will say that the cork is lighter and the ball is heavier. This shows the density. See the diagram. The cork is floating and the iron ball is sinking because the iron ball is denser than the cork. Lighter coin sinks while heavier wooden logs float. Even the coin is very small and lighter, it will sink, and the heavy wood log will be float because of the density. Then what do you mean by the density? Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in a unit volume. Again I will be saying the third definition today. First I said about volume and the capacity of the container. Then now I am saying the density. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in a unit volume. Mass, you can measure the mass using a weight balance. And I said just now we find how to measure the volume of an object. So finding the mass of an object, divided it by volume, you will get your density. So D is equal to m by v. Mass is in kg, volume is in meter cube. Kg per meter cube is the unit. Whenever we are studying an thing in a physics, that definition you must learn, then formula, then measuring unit. Here the density definition we studied, and the formula D is equal to m by v. The unit of measuring is kg per meter cube. Here the activity: with an iron block and a wooden block, same mass, measure their volume, then you can find out your density. More mass will have a more density. Unit of density I said as kg per meter cube. If it is in CGS system, that will be kg will be in grams and meter will be in centimeter. Kg per meter cube. Here different density of different material is given in a tabular column: air, kerosene, water, mercury, wood, aluminium, iron, copper, silver and gold. Here the highest density is gold, 19,300 kg per meter cube. Next to that is 13,600 kg per meter cube, that is for mercury. Then some problem is given for you. In that problem, first see what are the data is given. Volume is 125. Volume is 125 and density is given. So in this formula you know about an density and volume, only mass you have to find. Then in the second problem, density is given, mass is given, volume you have to find. In such a way the formula has to be changed. For this the triangle is given. In the first page itself I explain the triangle and the relationship between density, mass and volume. Then one more problem for you. Fourth problem, mass is given and the volume is given. You have to find out the density. This is the thing you are going to study in the density. The next thing we are going to see the astronomical units. What are the things is called as astronomical units? Measuring distance of celestial bodies. What is the celestial bodies? Sun, moon, earth, some stars. These are all called as celestial bodies. The distance that we measure in our day-to-day life. What are the distance we are measuring? Meter, centimeter, kilometer. But astronomer need to measure very long distances. Such a distances are called as light year and astronomical unit. What is a light year? The light travels I told you, no, astronomical unit and light year. First I will be saying about astronomical unit. One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and sun. What distance between the earth and sun is called as your astronomical unit. Astronomical unit, what is the astronomical unit? Distance between the sun and earth. For that there is a diagram. See the distance between the sun and earth. Perihelion position and aphelion position. Perihelion position, the shortest distance between the earth and the sun. Aphelion position, the longest distance between the sun and earth. The shortest distance is 147.1. The longest distance is 152.1. So the average distance between the sun and the earth is, the average distance between the sun and the earth is 149.6 million kilometer. This is called as one astronomical unit. What is one astronomical unit? The distance between the sun and earth is the one astronomical unit. That distance is measured as 149.6 million kilometer. That is 149.6 into 10 power 6 kilometer or else 10 power 11 meter. Then light year. Light will move in a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Per second it will move 3 into 10 power 8 meter distance. So this is the speed of light. Speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So the light will travel in 1 year. What is the distance the light will travel in 1 year is called as the light year. 3 into 10 power 8 into 1 year. 1 year consists of 365 days. That 365 days should be converted into seconds. So multiply by 24 into 60 into 60. You will get 3.153 into 10 power 7 seconds. Multiply it with by light speed. Light speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, I told. So 3 into 10 power 8 into 3.153 into 10 power 7, that is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15. This is called 1 light year. Here some nearby stars and celestial bodies, their distance had been given. 4.22 light year, 25,000 light year galaxy center. That's all. After studying the light year and astronomical unit, the lesson is over. Then I will be giving you the book back answer. Today we have studied volume, density, capacity, astronomical unit and light year. That's all. Today's portion is over. First lesson is over. Then I will be giving the question and answer for you to read and write. Wait.